Alright, hey guys, welcome to the first day of class. I just wanted to give you a brief introduction to what this YouTube channel will be utilized for. So first of all, I have some praise and worship songs for studying. This will be utilized in the classroom a lot. You guys will become very familiar with the songs that we play. If there's ever silent work time, group time, this will be turned on just to have some little ambient music going on. But then also just a way to pray in the classroom as well. If we ever go to a chapel, this will also be used as kind of a relaxing playlist. That's what this truly will be used for. I'm excited for you guys to get to know these songs. And I also want you guys to send any suggestions. If you ever hear a song on the radio or if you know of one, just send it. You can just let me know in class, email me, whatever you need to do. And I'll just add it to there if I like the song and think it's a good song for our study music. The second thing is confirmation. As you know, this year we will be confirming our students in May, so that's really exciting. I've been working a long time for this and waiting for it for a while. So now you've gotten to this age where we're really just going to work on what confirmation is. So a lot of these videos we're going to be watching in the classroom. So parents, these videos that we watch in the classroom, I'll be posting in the confirmation playlist. That way you can watch it and see what your students are learning in the classroom. And then as far as the Mass is something that we've been doing for a while. We've been doing it. A lot of you have been going to Mass for your entire life, but what does it truly mean? These are things, again, we'll be watching in the classroom, but some of the times I'm just going to assign a YouTube video for you to watch for your homework over the weekend, and I really want you guys to watch it as a family as much as possible, and find a time to really discuss what it means. Some of these times I'm going to assign a Mass video, and I would like you to watch it before Mass, and then discuss it after Mass, and write a little reflection kind of as a family, interviewing your parents or your siblings or someone else that you have that went to Mass with you or understands the Mass. And that's a little bit about this YouTube channel. As I start adding more videos for the more topics, I'll keep updating you on what they're used for, and I'll just keep adding little comments to these different videos as we start watching more videos in class. If you all know of any videos that you've seen maybe at a different church or a different school, that would be really great for any of those. Again, just email me, let me know, I'll watch it, and I'll add it if it's good.